Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Mo the Man back at it again, and today we are going to be. Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Mo the Man back at it again, and today we are going to be lubricate this Gans 356 Air with Angstrom lubricants. Okay, so first we are going to take this medical brush thing, and we are going to open up the Angstrom Dignitas. And we are going to insert the stick into the liquid. And then now that we did that, we will take an edge out. Alright, so now we will take the lube and put it on this edge piece. And just slather it all over. Like so. Oh shoot, I just got all over the sticker, oh no. Not good. That's not good. Alright, now that we have spread it, we will insert the original edge piece back in, and then turn it around. And as you can see, it's on the sticker. I'm such a noob. And we have to break it in now. Oh man, I got lube all over my fingers. So I should just put that around. And now that we have put this lubricant in, I will tell you what it does. So Dignitas is a lubricant that basically makes the cube a lot more faster, and it is a piece lube. So since we just installed it, now we will just break it in, and yeah, so we'll do a quick solve. We'll do a quick solve, and it will feel like cement, kind of, for the first bit. And yeah, so let's just start doing some CFOP and go. And then, boom, boom, boom. Oh, this is gonna be really bad. Didn't have enough time to inspect this. Oh shoot, I twisted a corner? What the heck? That was a really bad time, 32 seconds, but I guess it's okay. Oh shoot, I got lube on my thing. Oh no, it's everywhere. Alright, so now we'll take some of this cytoplasm lube, aka Dignitas, and we will take out another edge piece. And we will actually keep it out and take this little medicine brush, I guess. That's what they called it in the what's it called, website. And we'll just slather so much lube on it. It's a crazy amount. And put it in this little crevice. Alright, and now we're going to insert the lube into this crevice. And now that we're done, you want to insert it back into the cube. And yeah, you want to do this with two edges. But, since we had that whole, lube joke, kind of had to do this twice. So we want to break in the lube again, so it'll feel like cement, right? And yeah, so I'm going to just do a quick solve. It's going to feel really bumpy. And yeah, so, oh man, oh god, this feels terrible. So we're just doing some F2L, as you can see. And yeah, so F2L is a simple, thing where, insert edges. Oh shoot, why does the corner keep on flipping? What do you mean? Some OLL, and then some PLL. Oh, PLL. Skip. Well, I was doing I do 2 look, I'm not that good. So now that I've lubed the cube, you want to take those like brushes and you want to clean them off, because after you clean them off, they won't like, you know, get dirty or anything, because some of the like, I guess, the gravitas lube, or as I call it, the cytoplasm lube, is very, you know, gloppy and like, you know, thick, kind of like Vaseline. So yeah, and as you can see, it is very thick, and it won't like, you know, be like the Dignitas here, because he's the nice guy. And yeah, so now that it's in, it will feel like cement, because the gravitas is a, you know, thick lubricant, and it's inside the mechanism, and the mechanism determines, you know, a lot of the stuff. So I'll just break it in. I'm just doing some random moves. It's not an algorithm. So I'll do triple sexy move really quick. You know, some more sexy moves. And yeah, so I think I did enough sexy moves. Alright, so we'll do a solve now. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh man, this made the cube feel so like loose. I feel like it's gonna just pop everywhere. Some basic 2-look Olo here. Basic 2-look Piolo. Oh my, there's lube all over the cube. I'm messing up my solve. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh man. Oh, I saved the solve. Oh, that was so bad. Oh my god. It's all over my fingers. Really bad. Alright, so now after you finish lubing your cube and you need to like put everything away, first thing you want to do is clean off these brushes, because there's some excess lube on it, and the dust can get stuck on the lube because it's very sticky. And yeah, so you want to clean those pretty much after you lube. So yeah, I guess, you know, you should do that. I should do it, but you know, I don't feel like doing it, you know. I'm a cool kid. So yeah, so now after you do that, you want to take your cube and scramble it. So I'm just doing a random scramble. And yeah, and you want to kind of break it in. And after you break it in, you know, yeah, like, you know, turn it around a lot. So yeah, so like, you know, solve. If you don't know what sub 20 means, that just means below 20 seconds. And yeah, so you guys can comment down below your best times. So yeah, you should also learn CFOP. There's a few good people that have good tutorials. I can link those in the description for you guys. And yeah, so pretty much all you need to do after you lubricate your cube is break it in, and yeah, it'll feel like cement. Like, it really will feel bad. Like, mine feels like so blocky right now. But yeah, you guys should go, you know, break it down and break it in, and yeah, so that's pretty much it. One more thing, I use yellow GES nuts in my Rubik's Cube, and you probably can't see it that well, but yeah, I use yellow. It's flush to the, what's it called, GES, and that's the tensions that I use if you know, want to do. So I'll leave links down below to get this Angstrom lubricant, to get this Rubiks Cube, and to get the speed stacks. And also helpful links to learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube. I'll link beginner's method, and I'll link CFOP. And yeah, thank you very much for watching my video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, see you guys later. Bye!